Hey guys, Jimmy Stegall again, here to serve dental. Back to have another chat with my relationship as is going on with DESSLoc, telling you about a little bit more about their parts and componentry. And today we're going to talk about DESSLoc. DESSLoc is DESS's version of the locator abutment we all know and love. Good news is it's actually 100% compatible, interchangeable. All the components, you can swap them around, so you don't have to look for any new tooling or worry about which cap, because they're all the same. Right? You know, the fact that I can swap it around, that's good news. But it does have a couple of advantages that I want to tell you about. So number one, after being 100% compatible, right, it has this zirconia nitride coating. You know, if you look at the two colors, you'll see that the locator is actually, anodized, which is no problem, but DESS went the extra step and said, look, let's use the zirconium nitride. They use this coating on a lot of their other componentry. There's a couple of reasons for that. Number one, it's very scratch resistant. It's easily cleansable, but there's a biologic benefit that we really are happy about when it comes to overdentures, right? And they've got a couple of good studies on this. This coating, this zirconium nitride coating, has been found to make the tissue a lot happier, meaning we see a whole lot less plaque buildup and tissue aggravation around any component that has this zirconium nitride. So in our locator cases, right, sometimes we do see the tissue getting aggravated. It's going to happen less with the DESS, and that's just science and data that these guys took the time to figure out. So I'm excited about that, right, having that zirconium nitride. One of the cool things about the DESSLoc is that it comes with this really cool carrier, right? This little plastic snap-on carrier just makes the delivery of the abutment in the mouth and on the model, right, a lot easier than trying to hold it with our fingers or with the hemostat without worried about scratching it. So I like the carrier, right? It's another good aspect. So color, aesthetics, zirconium nitride, biologic, easy use of insertion. But if you look close on the DESS, you'll see a really tiny hole right near the top. And what's the hole for? Right, the hole is unique to DESSLoc, right, and it is there because of patient complaints when they're removing their locator dentures. They feel like there's a vacuum there, and there is. Right, when you're pulling a nylon cap off the locator abutment, a vacuum is created. With the DESSLoc, that small hole kind of gives that vacuum a release, so a little bit easier for the patients to remove. Small feature, but actually a pretty cool advancement. Other than that, right, if we're going to use our housings, right, they snap on the same, right, so our pickups are going to be the same. The tooling. So let's talk about the tooling for a second. We all know the locator tool, right? It's a great tool. And I love the tool. It's been around for a while and it certainly works. DESS has created their own, as you can see. It's maybe a little easier to use in my hand. But again, totally interchangeable. The one tool that I think DESS has done a good job with, and that is the torque tip, right? The torque tip that you can use to put locators or the DESSLoc in. Really cool design in that it has these little flanges around that help hold the abutment as we're torquing it in better. So, zirconium nitride coating, the plastic carrier, right? The tools are interchangeable. All the nylon inserts, the DESSLocs, are exactly the same. 20 degree, 40 degree divergence, the same caps, buttons, colors, right? You don't have to learn a new color code or anything. They all fit into each other's housings, right? So we're not learning anything new. I guess the bottom line on the DESSLoc is that it's half the cost, right? And so in your laboratories, you're looking ways to be a little bit more economical, right? And it's just another third-party part, just like the locators. I love locators. They've been around for a long time, used them for a long time, but the DESSLoc just gives us an alternative, guys. So I like it. Take a good look at it. Thanks.